Good morning. It's a bright, beautiful, blue sky, sunny day here. A bit chilly, but that's fine. I'm thinking about the window thing again because it's just been bugging me all night. So, couple of things. I'm gonna build up that little spot down there just because I think water can get in there. I think water runs down here and hits that and goes inside. Number one. Number two. This is the sliding glass door here that doesn't move, and I can see the top of the glass right there. This is why I'm saying the packing or the gasket in here is the wrong one, because this should be held up higher, of course. I'm gonna just, in talking with the client, we're gonna band-aid it for now. I'm just gonna run a bead of silicone all the way around that piece of glass and hope that it helps. And something else I found out interesting, whoever put this screen door on, there's little things up inside here that you tighten with a screwdriver and push up, or loosen with a screwdriver, push up and then tighten, and it stops this from coming out. You usually can lift it up and it comes out. Whoever installed this installed it in such a way that even with those things loose, you can't take the screen off. To take the screen off, you actually have to take this track off on the top. So good job, guys. In here, like I said, down there, and then here against this side here, I'm quite concerned that this is the gasket here, and number one, it's not soft and pliable, it's kind of rock hard. Number two, it's about 4 inches short, so that's like an air gap right there. So I've got some other gasket material that I'm going to put in there. Hope that helps. On this window, I keep saying packing, which is like the Japanese word, the gasket's actually fine. It looks pretty good actually, inside and outside, so I'm not going to bother with that. Going over here to the other door, which also apparently leaks. As you can see here, yeah, I can see right inside there, and all the way along here you can just see inside, so rain hits here and just goes right in, so that's a problem. So I'm going to try to address that with some new gasket material. I'm going to do the same on the inside there, not on this outside track, but on the inside track I'm going to build up the little dam there, and then along in here, well, there's not really much I can do about that. This window, the packing on is actually not bad. This one here, the packing on it's pretty bad. The packing is just about non-existent. They shoved the T packing in on the other side, and they just silicone this, and the silicone's basically gone away. A couple little spots here where there's, but I'm going to silicone this as well. And I know it's a band-aid, but it's the band-aid that I got to work with, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to hit that first thing this morning, because once it gets dark I can't really do that effectively. Okay, I got everything cleaned up, got the floor cleaned up. I've got some what do you call that, plastic cardboard stuff on there, just protecting it because I spent quite a while cleaning it. Got the dryer in, and while it's a little bit close to open, I mean, I can stand here and open it, so that's good. There's clearance on the side there. I ended up finding 2 studs that I was able to put these brackets, screw them into. There's adequate clearance on the back. The only thing is this is a little drain hose for condensation from the dryer. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I don't know if it's really a big deal or not, honestly. Maybe I'll just get some more. This is just the same drain hose we use on the air conditioners, so maybe I'll just get some more and run it over here, because it actually fits into the top of the washing machine. So and I did all the window stuff. It's all drying, all the silicone up there, so I'll have it take a look at that later. Hopefully I'll be able to run the hose on that tomorrow. Dun dun! Okay, it's done. Well, I got to put a little caulking and some finish on that piece down there. Other than that, it's done. It's been long, hard work, let me tell you. The washing machine's in. I got to find the hose. I don't know where the hell. I thought it was in here, but it's not. It's somewhere here, because I know I took it off, so it's got to be here somewhere. It's a bunch of stuff in the other room there I got to dig through. But the hose needs to go onto there. It's plugged in. This is all set up. It's on there, good and solid. The fan is here. There's lots of room by the fan to suck air. So now all I got to do is build the shelves. Oh, and I got to build the shelves and then drill the holes in here somewhere for the vents. Not sure exactly where I'm going to put the vents yet, but I got this protective stuff down here now. I'm going to bring the shelves in and set them up and build them, and then I'll take the protective flooring stuff off, and then I got to clean up and organize and decide what I'm going to do with my day tomorrow if I get done today. I mean, what time it is today? Hang on. It is... oh, it's almost 4 o'clock. Boy, time flies. Anyways, yeah, it's looking really good. The room's great. I think when you stand here, I mean, the one nice thing is when you just go from there to there for your laundry, I mean, it's laundry goes from there right into the dryer. I think that's pretty good. Anyways, on with the IKEA stuff. Well, the laundry room is 99% finished. There's some tape up there holding the that piece up there where the glue dries, but I got the piece underneath and the piece on top there. That's all done. Everything's been properly caulked and filled up, and I still got it. That's the 1% I got to do. A bead of caulk there and put some finish on that piece of wood. But other than that, the room is done. Here's all the IKEA shelving. Most of this was left over from something else. We just had to buy new, I guess you call legs for it, but the shelving was all recycled. I like that. So that's quite a bit of storage there. And then I kind of custom made that one there to sit underneath the dryer. I don't know, we might need one more shelf in there, up to the client, I guess. But that's, you know, I could even lower that top shelf a bit if wanted. That way you got a place to put laundry and stuff. And yeah, maybe another shelf under there would be good to put all the cleaning items. But we'll have to talk to the client about that. I was thinking about putting a shelf in the corner here. I mean, the lid for the washing machine only lifts up that high. So I mean, if wanted, I could put like a corner shelf in here. Like that. Could even put a shelf above the window, or even put a shelf there along the wall. But not today. It's already 5:30 and it's been a long day. Got a lot done. I got the silicone done on those windows, so I'm letting that dry till tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm going to try to maybe dig the hose out and splash some water around and see what that's like. Tomorrow, mainly what I got to do is clean up and organize, and there's a couple other small things I have to do around here. These shelves are well solidly down. I mean, they're not going anywhere. They're screwed into the wall there, and they're also screwed into the wall over there. So they're not going anywhere, and that's a heck of a lot of storage. Of course, the shelving, you know, the position of the shelves can be moved, but all in all, I'm quite pleased with this. I got to put the sliding doors back, but that's not a big deal. See, we've got the light that turns off here. So that light is a smart light that they control with their app, which is really cool. I guess when they're here in the house, they would just turn that light off with, oops, I always hit the wrong switch, with this. And but yeah, it's really come a long ways from where it was. Floor's solid, got linoleum on the floor now, better for a laundry room than wood, in my opinion. The ceiling's all done, it's all sealed up. There's no, the humidity in here is just the same as outside or the rest of the house. There's no more mold anywhere. You know, we tore out the wall, we redid the plumbing, we redid the electrical. There's electrical outlets, and there's one there by the under the washing machine, or under the dryer. There's another one here somewhere. Don't know where it is. There's one there. There's also one there in the corner. I don't know if I can put a shelf in here. I think that's too big for the existing IKEA that I have left. But I mean, could put another shelf in there, I guess. That's the electrical panel. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So, another day done. Another week almost done. Tomorrow, like I say, I got mainly a cleanup because I've made a pretty big mess here. I got to reorganize all their stuff and put everything back into the storage here. And then I head back to Tokyo. I'm definitely going to be back here for another week at some point. I really hate to say that. I still haven't got the doors done. I think hopefully I've got the water problem solved. I really do. I really hope that's fixed with the water coming in that thing there. I think maybe I don't know. We're gonna have to see. But I still got 2 doors to replace, and there's a couple other small things. But I've done a whole bunch of other things here too. I put all the picture rails up, and I've replaced a bunch of panels that were moldy down in this area here. I've put in some new electrical things that they wanted, extended some, place where they can plug in a fridge and that kind of stuff. So a lot of work done. I know I've been down here a lot, but there's a lot of work done, and this place is, the difference in this room, I'm sure that when they come for the first time, they'll feel it. I mean, the room is just so much nicer than it was before. Before it was cold and clammy and smelled because of the mold and the mildew and it was just bad. Now, not at all. Nothing like that at all. It's fantastic. So I'm sure that they're going to very much appreciate that. I'm sure you guys are going to appreciate it because it's just so much better. And I don't know. I think that this setup is better than it was before. I think you got a little more space use out of this, and certainly the washer and dryer is so easy to get to, and you got the natural light coming in from above there, and yeah, I think it's just I think it's pretty good. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and please hit the like button for me. I'd really appreciate that thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I think it's gone pretty darn good, and that's it. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye bye.